I'm going to pick up a parcel. I ordered some cream for myself and for my kids. I normally buy my cream from Boots because my kids kind of have a little bit of sensitive skin, not that much, sensitive skin, just a little bit, because I've tried quite a lot of different cream. My kids do not have eczema or anything like that, but I think they've got just kind of like dry natural skin, where I've tried quite a lot of cream, but it doesn't work. So I'm just gonna run down to Boots and just pick up my parcel. So yeah, and do a bit of shopping because kids are going back to school next week. So get myself prepared. I saw out the kids' uniform yesterday. I didn't vlog that because it's a bit stressful, so I didn't vlog that. So yeah, let's go. Guys, so I'm back now. So this is the parcel. I just want to show you guys the cream that I use for my kids. So this is the cream. So this is Instant Dry Skin Rescue. I normally get 4, but I still have like 1 left, so I just bought 2. And this is the cream that I use for my skin. So yeah, Keraben. So I love this cream, guys. Like, I've been using this cream for like 2 years now, and I just like the way it makes my skin really nice and smooth. I really like this. Yeah, so this is the cream. Yeah, so this one is for my kids, this one is mine. Yeah, so this is really good for when you have a child that got eczema, or maybe my skin, a bit of dry skin. Yeah, I recommend this cream. Hi guys, so I'm gonna be doing my daughter's hair today. She doesn't really like doing her hair, to be honest, but she likes the finishing look. So I'm gonna be doing braids because the kids are going back to school next week. So I'm gonna be doing braids on her hair. I'm gonna be doing just a small braids, not too big. No, not small braids. I will be doing big braids for her, not small, because I don't want her to sit for too long. Excuse my voice, guys. I've got a bit of cold. Yeah. So, but before then, let me show you guys this jumper, guys. So I got this jumper. Should I call it jumper? From TikTok shop. Absolutely stunning. I actually put it on to show you guys. I've not even I still have the tag on. I'm gonna take off the tag in a minute. Yeah, so yeah, it's so cute. I love it. It's so warm. One thing about this jumper is so warm. Like, if you don't feel like wearing like jacket, because right now we are almost in winter now in UK, so it's getting a bit cloudy, and so this is so good to wear if you don't want to wear a coat. It's quite really long for me, but I chose big one because this is medium and large, but I didn't know that it's gonna be this big. But hey, it's cool. So yeah, so, and it comes with two pockets. It's so nice. This one is really. So I'm gonna set up now and do my daughter's hair. Hopefully she like it. Hopefully she doesn't cry. Okay, let's go. So I got this parcel that just arrived. This is a dressing table. I got it from TikTok. I'm still thinking if I'm going to put them together myself or I have to call someone to help me to do it. I'm not sure. I'm still thinking. Yeah, I can't wait. So just gonna go to my room and I'm gonna do the fitting. Hopefully. I got this from TikTok shop. I can't wait to show you guys. It's so nice. A big dressing table, really big. But the one I have before, it's quite small. So yeah. Okay guys, so this is the dressing table. I got this from TikTok shop. It's so pretty. I was gonna like put them together by myself, but unfortunately I can't. So the guy just finished, you know, put them together. It's so big. I don't even know where I'm gonna put. I'm thinking of putting it here, but I'm not sure yet. So anyway, so this is the dressing table. It's so cute. I'm so excited. It's got quite a lot of rooms. A lot of rooms here. I think it's 16 drawers. I think 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15. Yeah, 15 drawers. Can't wait to turn the light on. Can't wait to turn the light on. It's so good. So pretty. Pretty. It's so big. Alright.